Hello, young neighbors. Welcome to Junior Science. Today, we're going to talk about gases. First, what is a gas? Well, we know that everything in the world is made up of tiny particles called molecules. In a solid, the molecules are held together very closely. A solid has a definite shape and size of its own. In a liquid, the molecules are held together less closely. A liquid takes the shape of the container into which it is poured, but does not change in size. In a gas, the molecules are held together very loosely. A gas has no shape or size of its own. It spreads out until it fills any closed container into which it is placed. Open a bottle of soda. Add a little water to it so the bottle is completely full. Now, stopper the bottle tightly with a cork that has a glass tube through it. And invite a friend to drink the soda. He'll think it's easy, but wait till he tries. Because there is no air in a bottle, the soda cannot go up into the straw. No matter how hard your friend draws on it, he won't be able to drink. But if you take out the stopper and allow air to press down on the soda, then he can drink it easily. Because the molecules of a gas are spread out, a gas can be pushed together or compressed. Here's a toy you can make that will show you this. To make it, you need a glass tube and a pencil that fits into it loosely. First, cut the ends off a potato, leaving a slice about 1 inch thick. Get the glass tube, and with one end of it, cut out a piece of potato. Leave the piece in the tube. Now, turn over the tube, and with the other end, cut out another piece of potato. Now, there is a plug of potato in each end of the tube, and there is some air, which is a gas, trapped between the two plugs. Now, get the pencil. Aim the tube at a target, and push one of the potato plugs. The compressed air shoots the other plug out. Bullseye. Here's a scientific stunt you can try on your friends, and you can do it only because a gas can be compressed. Put the glass part of a medicine dropper through a one-holed rubber stopper. Attach a rubber tube about 8 inches long to the wide end of the dropper. Now put the cork tightly into a soda bottle that's about 2/3 full of water. Now, call over a friend. And ask him to test his lungs by blowing as many bubbles as he can through the water. What's the trick? Well, the more air your friend blows into the bottle, the more compressed gas there is in that little space above the water. And when he stops blowing, the compressed air presses down on the water and squirts it out. And your friend gets an unexpected shower. Place a balloon on a ring and rest a stick on top of it. Now, let's take a hose and run some cold water on the balloon. The balloon becomes smaller. Now, turn on the hot water and put it on the balloon. The balloon becomes larger. So we see that there is something besides pressure that can make a gas expand or become smaller. And that something is temperature. When you pour hot water on the balloon, the molecules of the gas inside move around more, and the gas expands. When you put cold water on the balloon, the molecules of the gas inside move around less, and the gas contracts, becomes smaller. And now you know a great deal about gases and have many interesting scientific stunts to do as soon as you get the chance. We know that solids and liquids have weight, but gases are pretty thin stuff. Here's an experiment you can do to show that even gases have weight. Put a little carbon tetrachloride cleaning fluid into a deep container. Place the container in a dish and pour hot water into the dish. Let them stand for 5 or 10 minutes so that the carbon tetrachloride will evaporate and become a gas. Then blow some soap bubbles into the container. Instead of falling to the bottom, the bubbles appear to be floating in midair because they are supported by the carbon tetrachloride gas. So we see that a gas has weight. The air that is all around us has weight and is pressing in on us from all sides.